Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will learn about the Harvester tool, which is used to gather information. To get started, open up your Kali Linux environment and launch the terminal. Type the Harvester and press Enter. You will now see the interface for the Harvester tool. It supports multiple flags for customization, such as -H, -D, -S, -P, -V, and -T, and a few more. Now let's run a basic command using the Harvester tool. Type theharvester-d microsoft.com-l200-b bing. -D specifies the target domain. Here, it's microsoft.com. -L sets the limit for the number of results. In this case, 200. -B sets the data source, which is Bing. Press Enter. Now you'll see the Harvester tool running. Once it's completed, the output will display emails and hosts discovered for the target domain. For example, accountprotection.microsoft.com. Noraply at accountprotection.microsoft.com is the mail identified by this tool. Also, we can find fish@office365.microsoft.com. These are real-world examples of emails found by the Harvester tool. Now, let's see how to use the Harvester tool inside Shell GPT. Let's start our Shell GPT. Type sgpt-chat fp-shell. Now, input the following prompt in double quotes. Use the Harvester to gather email accounts associated with Microsoft.com, limiting results to 200 and leveraging Bing as a data source. This prompt mirrors the flags we used earlier in Harvester. -D for domain, -L for limit, -B for data source. So here, Microsoft.com for the target domain. 200 is the result limit. -B Bing as the data source. Now, press Enter. Then, type capital E and press Enter to execute the shell command. You'll notice that Shell GPT runs the Harvester tool with the same flags and parameters and returns the same output. This demonstrates how Shell GPT can be used for automation using simple prompts, saving time and making operations more efficient. And that concludes our demonstration of the Harvester tool.